You are highly welcome. In this tutorial today, we're going to solve this question on the screen. That is SAT Math Algebra. I would like you to stay focused and see what we are going to do. So this is a word problem. The question states, a number is 3 more than twice another number. Their sum is 21. Find the numbers. So now that is telling us that we have what? We have two numbers. So let solution. Let the two numbers be what? B, X, and what? And Y. So now, after that, what we're going to do, we read a number is 3 times more than, that is 3 more than twice. So let's say X is equal to 3 more than, that is plus 3. 3 more than, that is plus 3. Than twice of the another number, of another number. It means that is going to be 2, that is twice. The other number will not be Y. We put it here. So therefore, we have X to be 3 more than twice of another number. 3 more than twice of another number. Their sum is 21. So therefore, X plus Y equal to what? Equal to 21. This is what this statement is telling us. So from there, we have these two equations. We have equation 1 and we have equation 2. Now, what are we going to do here? The question asks us to solve for the 2. So we're going to have what? We're going to have here, I have 2y plus 3. I have x here. What I'm going to do, I will transpose this to this from 2. X is going to be 21 minus what? Minus y. Let's call this one equation 3. Are you following? So from there, what are we going to do? Since we have this to be x and we have this to be x, we can equate these two. That is from where? From 1 and 3. So we can have what? We can have 2y plus 3 equal to what? 21 minus 1 y. Okay, so we're going to have 22y minus this will be 2y. Take away this, add y to the both sides, we have y equals 21. Then transpose this to this side, we have this. So from there, we have 3y equal to, now 21, take away this. So what are we going to have? We are going to be having 18. So you divide both sides by 3. This cancel this, we have y to be what? 6. So now if y is 6, now let's come here from 1 now. From 1, so you know that we have x equals 2y plus 3. So we have x to be 2 times 6, then plus 3. Are you getting it? So from there we have x to be 2 times this, we have 12 plus 3. So we have x to be 15. So x equals 15 and y equals 6. So if you find this class very interesting, so do not hesitate to share to your friends so they can learn better. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.